Article 243L of the Indian Constitution is concerned with the application of provisions related to Panchayats, Part 9, to Union Territories. Here's a breakdown of the article. Application to Union Territories. The provisions of Part 9, which relate to Panchayats, are applicable to Union Territories. References adjusted for Union Territories. References to the governor of a state in Part 9 are to be read as references to the administrator of the Union Territory, who is appointed under Article 239. References to the legislature or the legislative assembly of a state are to be read as references to the legislative assembly of the Union Territory, if it has one. Presidential power to modify application. The President of India has the authority to issue a public notification to direct that the provisions of Part 9 apply to any union territory or part thereof with specified exceptions and modifications. This means that the President can adapt the application of these provisions to better fit the administrative and legislative context of a particular union territory. In essence, Article 243L ensures that the framework for panchayats can be tailored to fit the administrative structure of union territories, with the President having the power to make necessary adjustments. The Constitution of India. Part 9. The Panchayats. Article 243L. Application to Union Territories. The provisions of this part shall apply to the Union Territories and shall, in their application to a Union Territory, have effect as if the references to the governor of a state were references to the administrator of the Union Territory appointed under Article 239 and references to the legislature or the legislative assembly of a state were references, in relation to a Union Territory having a legislative assembly, to that legislative assembly. Provided that the President may, by public notification, direct that the provisions of this part shall apply to any union territory or part thereof subject to such exceptions and modifications as he may specify in the notification.